Welcome back to a non-episode of Forgotten Gear Restorations. I'm gonna whip up a quick little video for you to explain one of the coolest features and functions of the Heathkit IT-12 signal tracer that you may not have ever seen used before. What is it? It's called the noise mode. Let's check it out. Alright, so unfortunately, the amps we all know and love tend to develop noise over time. And sometimes that noise could originate from an old resistor like this right here. It could be coming from an old capacitor. But this Heathkit IT-12 has a trick up its sleeve that not too many people understand. A lot of people don't understand how to use it. It's the noise function. It's incredibly dangerous to use this function, as it puts about 100 volts DC on the end of this probe tip here. And I can't even focus. Apropos, hold on. All right, so let's just say, for example, that this is a noisy carbon comp resistor, and guess what it is? But it's sitting on a circuit board that has 37 other carbon comps on there, and you don't know where to start. You've changed all the tubes. The problem persists. That rustling leaf noise, that crackling, that frying bacon noise. Well, all we got to do is switch to the noise mode. All right. Pardon the noise. We switch to noise mode, and I put the ground lead there from the probe. Now, I'm going to put this tip here and listen. There's that noise. There's that noise. That's the noise. This is a noisy resistor. Same thing with caps. And if you want to see, let me just switch the angles here. I don't want to electrocute myself today. All right, so I'm going to keep the speaker off, the internal speaker and that Heathkit off, so we don't hear all the racket, because we don't need to hear it right now. So we'll move her back into noise mode. Now, observe the display on my Agilent benchtop multimeter. We're going to see how many volts this thing is going to put down. About 105 volts DC, sitting at the tip of this thing. It's lethal. If you forget that you have noise mode on, you're in trouble if you grab this thing the wrong way. But just wanted to give you a good demonstration of how absolutely useful one of those little bits of kit can be. Y'all take care.